You are watching Lifestyle Fanatic here. Tesla has been teasing the Model S Plaid since 2019, and its delivery is scheduled to start on June 10, 2021 after a few delays. Yes, that is today. Musk described the Model S Plaid as a spaceship. This car feels like a spaceship. Words cannot describe the limbic resonance, he wrote on Twitter. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. The long-awaited refresh for the Model S has finally arrived, and we must admit that the interior is where most of the radical changes are seen. The refreshed Model S is more Model 3 and Model Y-like now in appearance, although the chopped-off style yoke steering wheel is rather unconventional. It's cleaner looking within, and the massive horizontal screen is now more in line with the rest of Tesla's newer offerings. The rear of the Model S now contains a viewing screen, which is a welcome addition especially for gamers who are addicted to gaming. The other changes within aren't so noticeable. On the performance side, Tesla notes that the Model S Plaid changes include a new powertrain, including battery modules, battery packs, and drive units. Tesla further notes that the Model S and Model X now incorporate motor technology similar to the Model 3 and Model Y, and that this enables the Model S to perform high-speed runs over and over again. Tesla says that the Plaid Model S will be able to spring from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2 seconds and run the quarter mile in 9.3 seconds at 155 miles per hour, which makes it faster than a Bugatti Chiron. Tesla claims the 2021 Model S will come with the most comprehensive set of changes in nearly a decade. The Model S Plaid is the absolute top performance variant of the electric sedan. It gets an elevated level of dynamic performance with its triple motor setup, the premium 22-speaker audio with active noise cancelling, and no vent air conditioning system are the first in the industry as well. The Tesla Model S Plaid replaces the Model S Performance. It is expected to have a top speed of 200 mph, tri-motors delivering a whopping 1,020 horsepower, and a running range of 390 miles on a single charge. And last but not the least, the much-needed waypoints feature for navigation has finally been added. Now that the very first production batch has been delivered, we should be hearing feedback from the few very lucky owners very soon. Would you like to be one of the lucky owners? Stay tuned for more updates.